the dono. Much love. Okay, Kobe, it's your stream. What you gonna do, bud? Say hi to everybody. Don't try not to spend too much time on the donos. The chat wants to talk to you too. Okay, talk to the chat a little bit. What do you want to tell them? I swear, he's the cutest dog ever. Oh, little cutie.
You just want to say my room before I go to the gym.
Have fun at the gym. Kobe probably thinks you're talking to yourself and thinks you're crazy. Yeah, he does. Kobe absolutely thinks I'm crazy. That's just the way it is. I'm scared of big dogs because I've been attacked by one. That is not good. I got attacked by big dogs when I was growing up. It's terrible. It scars you. It really does. My dog is Kobe's size and plays with Great Danes all the time. That's the thing. I think little dogs just have little dog syndrome. And they all think that they're bigger than they are and try to attack everybody. It's bad. Hey, want to analyze the complex emotional and situational circumstances surrounding the Phantom of the Opera and chill? Of course I do, Kylie. Absolutely I do. I could talk about Phantom of the Opera all day. The music, beautiful. The story, beautiful. The emotional and situational circumstances surrounding the plot, beautiful. My pineapple matcha the other day was incredible. I'm glad I can bring you the Kobe content that you need, because Kobe is the best content. Thank you for the donation. Kayla said, Christian said, and then it's blank. So I don't know what I said, but I said something, and I hope it was funny and not embarrassing. But, knowing me, it was probably embarrassing. So, that's just how it is. Thank you, Teresa. Thank you, Kayla, for the donos. Kobe's camera shy. He wasn't, because he was here. He just didn't know what to say. He was just paused. He was like, oh no. I think he forgot his lines. You know what happens to people every now and then. Yeah, Daniel did come in and steal Kobe. But to be fair, he was kept in my room. So he didn't steal him. He just took him to say bye. So that's not stealing if it's your dog. Because it's our dog. So if the dog is... Did he steal? I'm confusion. But continuing on, I was rewatching Twin My Heart, and my mom said you look like a dork in the shirt you had on. Hey, my style has come a long way since Twin My Heart. There's nothing wrong with a good floral shirt. But I think a plaid suit is just a little more turned up than that. Your eyes beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Melanie. Right, I'm on it. Loved and lost, never to have loved at all. You look so much younger today. It's the outfit. This is I got headshots taken. I think it might have been my profile picture on something for a little bit, but I got headshots taken, and the yellow and blue is what is going on? No! What it smells like I'm gonna throw up, bro. It smells like you just lit off the fucking fire alarm. What are you doing? It's literally purple in my room.
That's right, baby. That's right. We got it.
Holy shit!
Oh my god.
What are you doing? Get out! Oh my god! Get out, Christian! I'll save you! I'll save you!
Get out.
What is happening? What is going on? Ah! I can't see! I can't see! I can't see!
can't see shit. I got it.
I got you, baby! Hey, quick. I was probably open on the doorstep.
I can't see
Oh my
shit!
God.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't be here. Oh my god.
Wait, the blinds are coming up. I gotta turn off my stream.
This stream is over. I can't breathe, bro. I literally am dying in my own home. Goodbye, everybody. I love you.